Zuma. 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 Zuma, come. Good girl, yeah. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, come here. Good girl. You're a good girl. Let's see your picture. Yeah. Yeah. Dog park. Dog park. Dog park. Oh, shit. Good boy. Here, Bonnie, hold this right here.
Yeah.
Read my glasses over there. Of course, I'll zoom on that. Come here.
You want to try some? You're curious, but you're scared. This is water.
Just water. We're looking for that $1 million video.
He's a cute dog, that German Shepherd. Look at him.
Which one?
This cute one. He's
Are we looking for that $1 million video?
$1 million. Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you're working on your first video right now?
Yeah, is it
Okay,
the $1 million
great,
video
great.
or what? No. Yeah, Bodie. And Zuma also likes to watch
Hey, don't
Bodie's
chew that
World.
up, Bodie. No.
Bodie's World, but
No.
Zuma likes to
No,
watch
don't chew
on
on it.
TV
No. Drop it.
all day
it.
long.
Drop it. Don't chew on it. Okay, sit. Bodie, sit. Ready? Ready? Get it.
Oh, there he goes. Oh.
Good boy.
I like it.
I just gotta learn how to. You gotta hold your right. See how he does
So
that?
you're
Hold the
actually
right control.
so he's actually
You're not
filming
looking at
a
the ground.
competing video over
You're
here.
not looking at the
Just
ground.
don't make your channel Zuma's World.
No.
Zuma's World.
Zuma loves Bodie's World. That's what she watches all day long. Yeah, during the day.
So his
That's what she
channel-
watches.
His channel will say Zuma's World, and in the
No,
description
no.
it will say better than Bodie's World.
No, no, no way. No way. Hey, you talked me into doing this. Come on.
Yeah.
You know, and I'll try anything once, no matter. But he's the pro. He's the star.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, but he insisted. He insisted.
Yeah.
So
Hey Rocky, when you get a chance, show him your wood carvings.
oh,
Your
the wood
chainsaw
carvings.
carvings.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you do
Chainsaw.
that with trees?
No, I don't do that. I cut our tree down in the backyard.
Yeah.
It got these bark beetles in
Yeah.
it. It was like a Christmas tree, and so I took the chainsaw and I cut it down. But after that, I had all these logs. I didn't know what to do with them. I was going to throw them away, and then I always wanted one of them bears, those chainsaw bears. So I watched on YouTube how to do the bear.
And you did it?
Yeah, and I took the bear and showed how to cut this. And I cut it. And,
That's cool.
Yeah, and I made a bear. I made an eagle.
Okay.
I made a
How'd the eagle turn
spirit. Yeah, eagle looks pretty good.
out? Yeah.
I got it on my phone somewhere. I'll show you.
Yeah, I got a lot
it.
of trees in my yard. A lot of
Oh yeah,
vipers.
it's not that hard. It seems like
Really?
it's hard, but it's not that hard.
Really?
Yeah, it's not that hard to carve something like that. It was pretty easy. I mean, I was surprised. You
Yeah,
know,
you're going to have to show me the...
I was surprised how easy it was. I'll show you. Bunch of wild dogs. Look at that. There's a wild guy too. Hey, Bodie. What you doing, Bodie? What you doing, Bodie? Hey, buddy. this the wildest dog park in America or what?
I forgot the full name. Like,
Oh,
you got Trimble. Trimble. Winstro, there we go. Oh, okay. Yeah, Winstro. That's the substance. Winstro, yeah, it's the one that shredded. You should know that, right? You use Winnie, You can't talk to me when you actually use Winnie. You did, dude. This guy uses Swarms, the new stuff. Swarms.
Okay.
If I use Swarms, dude, I'll be 3 times my size, bro.
Is this the craziest dog park in California or what?
you know what? That's hard to say. It could be.
People look
That's
at
a
all
good
that.
question, though. That's a good question.
I mean, it is.
Girl coming in the dog show. It's
A little
scary.
girl?
She's laughing and laughing. It's
Damn.
scary. She's laughing.
Yeah, I think that kid is too small.
I wouldn't. Well, I seen some people bring babies in and stuff. I'm going, we would bring them into a bunch of big dogs and stuff.
You know what?
You know, it's like. But
Let me start
never
filming
know.
again. Let's see. Yeah, somebody actually brought Burger King in here last night.
Did they?
I was about to leave with Bodie.
Got a
He
tab?
goes over to the bench. I'm thinking the guy, okay, maybe he has dog treats.
Smelled like a
We have
Burger King
Burger
worker
King.
came in and got
He had Burger
alive.
King, and it was kind of dark by then. And Bodie grabbed his fries.
Oh shit!
He didn't get the actual fries, but he got the packages of fries. And I'm having to apologize, even though the guy's not
shit.
supposed to have Burger King in there. You know, this is a strictly Wendy's dog park. You know, that's all you're allowed to have
Wendy,
in
that's
here.
for sure.
But no
For
Burger
sure.
King.
No
But,
Burger King.
Anyhow, he had it, and then
Oh, you heard
told
Burger
Bodie,
King.
I
Look,
told him to
he
drop
knows
it. I
Burger
told him
King.
to
He
He
knows
dropped
Burger.
it. He did drop.
He knows Wendy's.
He did drop the fries. Though.
Oh yeah, he dropped that beanie, that $100, $1,000 beanie baby you found.
Oh,
Remember?
yeah.
You threw over the fence. You threw it over the fence. I'm going, what are you doing? It might be an extension of the beanie baby the dog found. I go, but, yeah, he just found it on the ground. So it was like, shit. You need an automatic camera if you're gonna do this kind of stuff. I mean,
Yeah, he got it down to a science.
oh, he's got it pat. Said, hey, you. I don't know how to do all that stuff to edit. You gotta go.
Yeah, me neither.
Let's do it. I mean, whatever it makes us, I'll split it with you. Whatever. I'll let you do it. You know, if it does, right down it. But I'll try anything once. I don't care. Yeah, you show me some. You know.
Yeah, they're doing it.
I go, really? Yeah.
It's amazing. Really.
He does good. I got everybody subscribed on that I did on for him, and I got everybody on his channel. You know, we watch all the time. We do it. I do whatever I can. Help him out. He does good. He's good. You know. Knows what he's doing. I mean, well, he said he learned the hard way.
Right, he figured it out.
Yeah, he figured it out. He started, because I go, you see me? I can't even push the button on the phone.
Yeah.
The phone's smarter than I am. Shit, man, I get pissed off the phone. You know, it like I hit a button and it doesn't work like that. He helped me out right now because I couldn't get something going, you know, and I just turn it off. I just get pissed off and I don't do it.
Yeah.
Because the phone is like doing. I feel like they're screwing with me.
The government.
Yeah, I couldn't. I mean, I couldn't delete stuff, and I couldn't, you know. But I was just trying to get the picture on there. But he knows how to do all that stuff, so that's good. Like Jeff's pretty cool. He's pretty cool too.
Yeah. How long y'all been coming? This your wife, is
About it's my wife. About I don't know, 4 months or so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's been coming for years.
For a long time, huh? Yeah. No, we hooked up right when we got here. He's pretty. I mean, he's a pretty awesome guy. I think we've been talking about stuff and different stuff.
Good.
Like,
They don't work exactly like steroids.
on the same page.
Right.
Because he'll go like, you know, I mean, some people didn't know. Well, you know what the monsters are? You know, you see him talking about the monsters. Nobody knew what the monsters was, and he was like,
Yeah.
you know what the monsters are? But he knew.
can.
I don't even know how to turn this thing off for a minute. Shit.
Is it still